All right. Hi everyone. Long time I have not make a video about the psychology of trading in Forex. Um, Today we are talking about the volume or liquidity in Forex, especially all of the markets, even in currency markets or commodity, but that is the same. So we can see how the price change depend on the volume change, um, and we need to combine with the time for Euro's market start or American market, because all of the big fish or big boy from all of the world is from EU or US. You know that. Okay, so what are the thing about today? I'm talking about the volume and combined with some trick of big boy for everyone can see. Yeah. Okay. Let's look at the past. What about we talking about a rock line or the volume? I think the volume is better, right? Volume for everyone can understand and easy to use it on the markets, and you can get profit only 1 or 2 hour or maybe longer than, but not too long. Right. See, this one, GBP, AUG, and at 3 p.m. GMT plus 7 in Vietnam, just mean starting from EU market. The volume suddenly rise up like this. What problem? And what a strategy for it can trade when you look like this. The first thing we have small chain like this, but it is gonna break, right? And right the back to imbalance zone right here, and we test at the right shoulder right here. And if anyone can understand totally about the S&R zone, they can short immediately from this location. And right now they got benefits, they got profits already. But what about us? We can't recognize this one, and we need to wait for volume increase like this. For me, after the volume increase like this, I am put the short position and stop loss right top of the tail. That's kind of because this volume is increased and the seller to be win. So the stop loss is right here on the top of tail. But what about profit? Yes, that's depend on your psychology. 1, right, and 1%, 2%, nearest bottom right here on supply and demand. You can see right here have a resistance. 7-1, risk and reward. Look, and this pattern, many people can see, can totally understand, especially in supply and demand. And many guys got this one so sensitive. Not only 1%, but they push maybe 3 or 4%, and some percent very big benefits like this health one. Of course, because they can risk this pattern. And let's see, look, the volume is increased suddenly, and all right, now we see it. Ooh, almost hit the stop load, right? TP1, TP2, and stop. Reback. Yep, 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 yep. Yeah, you see, that is very, very, very sensitive for everyone trade on the market. And that is about volume or liquidity. And you can see all of this area, very big liquidity. And you can plot average all of this. That's gonna push right down here, right? And here, right will have a react be back for sure, because this one is resistant very strong, and resistance zone is so strong. You can see the big candle, strong, straight, only one, and with the small tail right here. Let's see more. See, if everyone try follow the supply and demand, also can have a long position right there. See, okay, I delete it. And if you try follow the supply and demand zone, you also have profit right here. Why you need to take profit here? Because this one, the bottom, the bottom is the, how to say, uh, R- RSF just mean SIF, sorry, support, resistance, flip, and this one going to be down more. So risk and reward is at least the 3-1. See, that's not too easy, but you need to know. All right. Now we go another market. Like, what about gold? Many people love trading on gold markets, right? Okay, okay. Very easy to look at the past, because in the past we can study a lot. We study strongly. See the trend line, the comedy downtrend. What about this one? This one at 2 p.m. GMT plus 7 in Hanoi, Vietnam. So we can see the volume is very big. See, and resume on of liquidity right here. Also quickly big. What about two? What about four? See, oh, this one already broke, and that means this resistance to be deleted, right? Okay, be back to 1 hour. And see to the candle. First thing is the rest candle, and the volume increase I put the short button here. Stop loss right on the top of the tail previously. And what about TP? All right. Low it tail right here. 3 1. What about low more? Here? What about here? Yeah, here very short. Yep, exactly. We got that one. Oh, this one, HG1 shadow code very strong. Um, you should order at least 2% because if the 1% can hit the TP and 2% you can keep longer, and you can pull the stop loss to be the open position right here and zero risk, right? Okay, now you can see the big liquidity and volume run like this, very short. 1, 2, 3, 4 hour. TP1 done, deleted. Then this one, when price runs like this, you put the stop loss to the open price. See, we got 3 1 Rick and reward. Okay, now go another example for you. All right, what's about pass? Pass is very easy for us to study because we got a back test to see it, right? Mhm. That is so hardly big benefits right here. Look, you can compare the volume below here and in integrator on trading view. Many. Oh, this one if we join we hit the stop loss. Here is the 3 p.m. in Hanoi. If we short position like this, we hit the stop loss. See, yeah, but it's still go down. See, yeah, okay, that's no problem because Rick and reward for us is so highly result, right? Okay, let's see the volume when many location, many place we can see. Very easy right here. Look, okay, the volume here is very big, right? Also the this one the blue candle, green candle, and um, if you follow my video on YouTube on Facebook, you can see how I trade like this. Okay, the trend line to be broke, retest already over, and what about TP right here? Because this one, this location is the imbalance zone. Look right here, and right after the time of EU market start, I open the position buy here, TP here, 7. But for surely and um, will not be lost lose it on the market. We need to put at least 2%. The first one is 3 because this one you see the tail have a very strong react right here. That's mean 1% in the 3 1 and 7 1. Look, okay, let them done. One, got it. Oh, it's not gonna up to the TP2. Okay, so my strategy, see, at least we got 1% have profits and um percent second is we need to put a stop loss go up to the zero price when we put small order. Or if anyone, I don't think it's not come here because this one is imbalance very big. I think it should come here. Maybe it take a long time. See, not yet go up to this level. Wow, that's so strong, right? Okay, so let's see my video about the volume and liquidity on the market, how we trade. And actually, a lot of things we can discuss about this one because not only the volume or liquidity increasingly, but we need to compare and look at the markets like support or resistance zone, and we can decide how to put or how to order the position on the market for suitable owner of the market, and we can get uh, the highest profit. All right, today is Thursday. Yeah, FOMC have just have a meeting, but have no big effective on the market much. So let's look on the markets. All right, see you next time.